Hello, my name is Rafael Montez, and I am a huge soccer fan who is having the hardest time trying to study for the finals while keeping up with the World Cup. I want to be a chemistry mentor because I recently took on the role of tutoring a family friend's daughter who is currently taking Chem 101. Seeing how I had never tutored anyone, I was scared, but after meeting up with her a couple of times, I actually felt a sense of happiness every time she would understand a new concept. I would like to help other students in the same way and hopefully get better at it. Here's an example of a type of problem I helped her with. A recipe for chocolate chip cookies requires 4.6 grams of baking soda, or NaHCO3. How many moles of baking soda are required for this recipe? So first we identify what they want us to do. We see that they want us to go from grams to moles. And we recognize that every molecule has actually a molecular mass because every element has a molecular mass. We see in this case that we're given NaHCO3, and we know that molecular mass is in grams per mole. So when we write down what we have, we see that we have 4.6 grams of the baking soda, and we need to convert it to moles by writing the grams per mole molecular mass to make sure that the grams of NaHCO3 cancel out. Now, to find the molecular mass, we look at our periodic table and find their values, their molecular mass of each individual element. We see that one Na molecule has 22.99 grams per mole of molecular mass. One hydrogen atom has 1.008 grams per mole. One carbon has 12.01 grams per mole. And one oxygen has 16 grams per mole. However, we are given 3 oxygens. So we multiply 3 by 16 to give us 48 grams per mole. Now we write them all down and add them up because this will be the molecular mass of NaHCO3. Adding them up would give us 84.01 grams per mole. Now, we rewrite our previous equation and plug in our 84.01 grams of NaHCO3 per mole into the question mark. Now that we can cross out our units of grams of NaHCO3 to be left with just moles, we see that our answer is 0.05476 moles. However, if we wanted to write this within 2 significant figures and in scientific notation, we could write this as 5.5 times 10 to the negative 2 moles.